Hello class 7. This is the last portion of the chapter subject verb agreement. Here I will be solving some exercises from this chapter. Please look at the board. Here I have written number 14. Okay. So number 14, what is that? Written 2 and 2 make 4. Okay. 2 and 2 make 4 means here that two or more singular nouns or pronouns joined by and required a plural verb, you know it very well. So 2 and 2, here are two nouns written 2 and 2. These two nouns are joined by and word. So that's why here you can see this make word we have written. Okay. Make this word we have written. Why make word? Because it is a plural. It's a plural form of the verb. Next one, that is written gold and silver are precious metals. You see this one is this gold and silver. These two nouns are joined with and. So the verb will be in plural form. Just like the number 14. Okay. So gold and silver, these two nouns are joined with and. So are precious metals. Okay. Next one, number 16, time and tide waits for none. Time and tide, you know this matter very well, that here time and tide, these nouns suggest actually one idea. Okay, suggest one idea. So that's why it refers as the single one. So that's why the verb acts as singular form of the form. Okay, so time and tide, then waits for none. Bread and butter, though it is the two different nouns. Okay, it adds with and also, but the idea is very similar. Bread and butter, it's just like the whole one idea. So that's why bread and butter is his only food. Number 18, the committee has issued its reports. The committee has issued its report. What is the meaning of that? You know this very well. A collective noun. Here you know this. The committee means what? It is a noun. It is a collective noun. Okay. It's a collective noun. Now committee, this collective noun takes a singular verb. Okay. When the collection is thought of as one whole. Here you can see it very well. The committee has issued its report. So committee, this word is actually refers as the whole single, single idea. Okay. So that's why here has is written. Clear? Number 19, you see, it's written the Arabian Nights is still a real favorite. Arabian Nights, this is a book, and when the plural noun is a proper noun. Arabian Nights. Nights, it's not about night. It's not singular number. It's plural, nights. But it is a proper noun. Okay. So, when the plural noun is a proper name for some single object. Okay. Or some collective unit, it must be followed by a singular verb. You see this one? Here Arabian Nights. This Arabian Nights, again I am telling, this nights means the more than one night. Okay. But it is a name of the proper noun. Okay. And that's why it's referring here is. The subject is. When the plural noun is a proper noun for some single object. For it is a single object. Arabian Nights is name of the single book. So that's why it's written is. Clear? Number 20, great pains have been taken. Great pains have been taken. Now, why we have put have? Now, pains and means take either the singular or the plural verb. But the construction must be consistent. You see this one? Great pains have been taken. Here great pains, if it is if I write again, that means with the word means, so s, and here pains is also s, but it take either the singular or the plural verb. Okay. it's not a you can write anything like that, but it should be, that means the construction must be consistent. Here you see great pains have been taken. Great pains means here, that means that pains which is having the plural form. Okay, that's why it's written have. Number 21, 15 minutes is allowed to each speaker. 15 minutes is allowed to each speaker. When a plural noun denotes some specific quantity or amount considered as a whole, the verb is generally singular. Here you see this one, 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes means it's more than one, but it's actually 15 minutes means what? It's plural noun. Okay, this 15 minutes noun is plural. Denotes some specific quantity. It's actually having the specific quantity. You can understand this one. Specific quantity means what? Which quantity? 15 minutes. Okay. So at that time, that amount considered as a whole. This total 15 minutes is considered as a one whole part. That's why it is written, and the verb is actually in the singular form. That means is. Clear? Number 22. I with my friend was going to Purulia. Okay. So here you can see I, this is the subject, and another subject of the sentence is my friend. Okay, that's friend. So these two subjects are connected with this word with. So obviously here what will happen? The subject, that means the verb, should be in singular form. Okay. So I with my friend was going to Purulia. Clear? Another one, that is number 23. No nook or corner was left unexplored. I have written was. No nook or corner was left unexplored. Two or more singular subjects. If the subjects are two or more, okay, connected by or nor. Here, no nook or corner was left. Nook and corner. Okay. So, in between that, you see this one. Here, it is connected with or nor. Here, these two words are connected with or. So, obviously, the subject will be singular. Sorry, the verb will be singular. Okay. Number 24. Neither of the two men was very strong. Here, the verb will be this one, that is was, and neither of the two men, here why I have put was. Here either, neither, each, everyone, many, these words, you know this, these words be followed by a singular verb. Okay, so neither of the two men, though men, but it will be, as these words are followed by singular, so was. Okay. Number 25. Every boy and every girl was given a packet of sweets. Here, two nouns qualified by each or every, even though connected by and, require a singular verb. Okay. So you see this one, every boy and that means each. Again, I am telling that with the words with each, every, this words, if it is there, and the verbs and the subjects are connected with and, so the verb will be in singular form. Okay. So